Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to download and install Epic Games Launcher in your computer. Now to install the program, the first thing what you will have to do is you'll have to open any browser on your computer. Once you have the browser open, in the address bar, you may go ahead and type epicgames.com and hit enter. Once you're on the epicsgames.com website, you would see an option to click on download. So click on download from the top right corner of this page. Wait for the setup to download. Once the download is complete, you would see a pop-up message saying that Epic installer has been downloaded. Double click on it. Wait for the Windows installer to pop up on the screen. Now this is where it will take you to the Epic Games Launcher setup. Now on the first window, you would have an option to choose where you want to install the current setup. So by default, it will go to C program files Epic Games. You can keep it as is and then click on install. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Now once the Epic installer has been installed successfully, in case if there are any updates to be installed, you might get a pop saying that Epic Games Launcher updates available. So you may click on update, wait for the updates to be installed. You might also get a user access control prompt. You may click on yes or continue on the screen. Wait until the updates has been verified. On the next window, it should download the updates. Once the installation is complete, it will take you to this window where you will have to go and sign in to your Epic account. In case if you don't have an Epic account, you may scroll down and you can go ahead and click on create account and then sign into your user account. So from here, you can go ahead and download and install the Epic Games and use the application. So this is how you can go ahead and download and install Epic Games on your computer. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.